All right. Hello. In this video, we'll be covering how to use the Infinite Campus Messenger system in order to send emails and messages to large groups of students and or families, based on what you need to be communicating with your classes. So you can see I'm logged into the sort of my basic landing page for when I sign into Infinite Campus. All the info shown is correct, as it might normally be. And I'm going to go ahead, in order to get to this menu, click the waffle, and in my waffle, I'll go to instruction. All right, and now over here, I've defaulted into my control center, and what I'm going to click from here is message center. And under the message center, you can see I only have one message currently in my message center, and that's an old one, right, from a good few years ago now. And I'm going to start by clicking new. You can see I have different options for here. I'm going to leave it as class message, start as template new. Although if you have regular messages you send out over the course of the year or ones that you use yearly, you could make a template. And so you can see I have a couple of ones in here. I have an intro letter I've sent before, or a notification about a Barnes & Noble event. So these are events, templates I've used in the past to save time, but we're going to start with new. And we're going to send delivery details here. We've got some different options for how we could deliver our message. We're going to click email so that it goes to people's emails. Could also go to their IC box here, but we're going to uncheck that one. You can set your delivery date for times in the future if you wanted to deliver on a different day. I'm going to leave it for today. And you can choose the time, all of that. Now, this option really depends on how many people you're emailing, what kind of experience you want to have. So if you want people to be able to reply to you, you would put your actual email in here. So when they see the email and they reply back, it goes to you. If you wanted to go to campus, then you'd leave it that way. So there you go. I am going to send an email. Now I get to the main piece here. So I have message subject and message body. So I am going to go ahead and look at the message I'm trying to send to my elective students, which I have in my personal email. Let me take a look here. It says, do you think your students at LRT would be interested in learning about artificial intelligence? We are team members, educators from Stanford, and we want to invite you to apply for our summer AI scholarship. A full scholarship will allow a student to participate in our program free of charge. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this message down here. And we're going to say, AI Camp is offering scholarships for their 3-week summer camp. During the exciting 3-week camp, students build impressive AI products that people can use. AI Camp is founded by Stanford PhDs and have taught thousands of students about AI. No coding experience is needed. About 70% of our applicants are awarded with a scholarship. To apply, click here. So we'll copy this message. I'll go back to Infinite Campus. We'll put that kind of in the body here. So you can see it's showing up in this way. All right, message subject, and I'll say AI Summer Camp Opportunity. And now I've gotten my message set up with the details for what I want. You could obviously do this lots of other ways. You could add an email attachment if you wanted, and I can do some different things with it now. So if I want to save this message, I can save or save as. Obviously, I can delete. I can send a test. This is useful if you want to see what your message would look like. So I can hit destination email address, and I can send it to myself. And I can hit send test, and that'll send me the test email there. I also can just hit next. And this is where it will let you select all recipients from the sections or specific recipients from the sections. Since I'm generally going to use IC Messenger for large-scale communication, I'll leave it to all. And you can see you can pick based on your term. I'm going to look down for my Q3 students, and I'm going to select my 6th period, which is my elective, where I get to do coding and technology type assignments. And now I can choose the student messenger context. So this might be parents or guardian context. And then also the student emails. So now I've selected both of those because I want both groups to get the chance to see this message. And I get to hit next. And now I can see it shows me, when it's going out, what time, how many people it's going to communicate, how many emails it'll send, what the message looks like as a preview here. And I can hit send to send the message or review recipients. So that is what I got going on. And yeah.